Hi everyone, I am Akhil Nanavati. I believe that developer documentation and developer experience should be pretty updated and pretty good. That whoever is planning to build on Linea can build easily and they don't need to ask for help from external sources. Just the docs can be enough for them. So I found out that there were YouTube videos on how to deploy a smart contract using Hardhat, Foundry, and Truffle, but I couldn't find a video which shows that how to deploy a smart contract using Remix. So every Solidity developer starts with Remix IDE as a uh, mm, environment to write smart contract. So today I'm here to show how to deploy a smart contract on Linea using Remix. So whenever you enter the Remix IDE, first of all you get this interface where you get some basic smart contracts from them. So first, let's deploy this. Let's see how to deploy this storage smart contract which they have written, which has a function of store, which will have a public. It will have a public input of number, which you enter and you can store. And this is the retrieve function, which will retrieve the function, which will retrieve the number. Sorry, the number that you stored in the num variable. Let's start the process of seeing how to deploy a smart contract on Linea. So after you have written the smart contract, you need to come to this Solidity compiler, and you can compile the smart contract using Control S or Command S, or also just by pressing this button. But for Linea uses the London version of the EVM, so we need to go to the advanced configuration. We need to change this, and we need to do London, and then click on compile. So a contract will get compiled. Then we need to deploy the contract. So we go here, we this remix VM means that it will get deployed on your local chain, but we want to deploy it on Linea Sepolia. So we need to select the injected provider MetaMask. So when you select injected provider for deploying a contract, you will need some faucet, as you need to pay for the gas fees. So for faucet, you can go to any of these, like the HackQuest faucet, or you can bridge your Sepolia ETH to Linea ETH using the Linea bridge, or you can go to Infura. So yeah. So then I already have some Linea Sepolia ETH on my account, and also you don't need to add anything using chain list or custom, as it's already there for you as Sepolia. So when you are ready with the faucet and selecting the network, so you just tap on deploy. You can see the MetaMask screen is appearing. So yeah, this is we just need to confirm the transaction. Yeah, so you can see that the transaction has been successful, and you can see the storage smart contract here. You can interact with this. So we need to store a number, let's say 2. So then we click on store. That will again send a transaction to the Linea Sepolia testnet. So I confirm it here. Yeah, so the transaction is confirmed now. So the number will be stored, and you can retrieve the number from this. So you get 2, which we just entered. So yeah, that was how easy you can deploy a smart contract on Linea Sepolia using Remix. So that was it for the video. Thank you so much.